We have a speaker cable pulled to the com room. We have some speaker to the hallway right here. Then we pull here. We have a cable right here. There's two conductors. It's gray cable for the speaker. We take that one all the way back to the com room. We put to the on J-hook. You see here, we pull all the way. The green cable is right there for the nurse call. We are doing job for the hospital. We take it down all the way. The yellow cable is right there for the Wi-Fi, wireless access point. The black cable is for the data. See the black cable? Here. Here. And take it all the way down to the com room. So this is like a speaker cable. But this one is for two conductor cables. Here is two conductors cables for communication cables for the speakers. This is like the speaker cable. And that's it.